Episode 6, RAG with Spring AI. Turn enterprise documents into searchable AI memory. Same 3 layers as every episode. Your code on top, the model at the bottom, and Spring AI as the seam in the middle. This time, that middle layer learns to remember your documents. Ask the model about your enterprise data. Acme Corp's Q3 2026 guidance. It wasn't trained on your documents, but it still answers confidently. That fabricated number is the risk RAG closes. Don't retrain a multi-billion parameter model every time a document changes. Retrieve the right paragraphs at query time and hand them to the model as context. That's RAG. Stage 1, read the documents. JSoup Document Reader pulls a Wikipedia page. Page PDF Document Reader parses a PDF. Both funnel into the same shape, Spring AI's list of document. Stage 2, chunk it. One giant document is a terrible retrieval unit. Token Text Splitter cuts it into token-sized embeddable pieces. From here, the embedding step takes over. Stage 3, the embedded chunks land in a vector store. One call, vectorstore.addChunks. 2 options. Simple vector store is perfect for a demo and gone the instant you restart. Production wants PG vector or Redis vector store, persistent and horizontally scalable. Stage 4, OneAdvisor. QuestionAnswerAdvisor searches the vector store, stuffs the closest matches into the prompt, and the model answers from your text, not its guess. Stamped grounded. Ask something outside the knowledge base. GraphQL schemas not indexed. The vector store returns no strong match. A well-grounded system says so. That is success, not failure. Stage 5, the enterprise upgrade. RetrievalAugmentationAdvisor breaks that one call into named, swappable, individually testable Spring Beans. Query transformers first, then the document retriever. Filter by tenant, tune the similarity threshold, pick your top K, join results across retrievers. Post-process the docs, each stage is its own bean, independently tested. Finally, the query augmenter, then build. Same idea as QuestionAnswerAdvisor, evolved into the enterprise-grade modular RAG pipeline. 5 stages: docs, chunks, embeddings, vector store, grounded answer. One seam, Spring AI is what makes every stage swappable without rewriting your service. Next episode, tool calling. The model calls your Java. Episode 7. Update notes live at thestackunderflow.com/spring-AI.